Hi, in front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings and choose security section here. Now scroll down and tap on app lock and create password for your apps. Then repeat it and click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, in my case Chrome. So now when I click home button and try to access Chrome app, as you can see, password is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!